for this one today, we're going to learn how to stroke a shape. All right. So the first thing we need to do is open our document. We have that done here. Then we're going to select a shape. For this, I'm going to use a heart. You could use the rectangle, the star, whatever, but I'm going to use the heart today. So then you just put a heart on a shape, whatever, on your background. Now if you look over at the layers panel, you have the background and you have the shape layer. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is go to your styles menu. If you're on a Mac like me, then it's down here on the bottom. If you go to styles, you click that box. Then up at the top, there's a menu. You have lots to choose from, drop box, shadows, different things. So we're going to do strokes. All right, so just hit strokes, and then you can pick any one of these. I always just use the simple one because I'm going to adjust it anyway. So there's the simple black stroke. Obviously, you can't see it because my shape is black as well. So we're going to go back to the layers panel. We're going to click the effects right here in the layers panel. Double click that. It's going to bring out a dropout box, style settings. All right, so with the stroke box checked, you're going to change the size, the color, the position, and the opacity as desired. So for me personally, I'm going to do color first because that's what I want to see change. So I'm going to pick a blue color, just something simple. All right, and you can kind of see that it's changed a little bit, but with the 3 pixels, it's not very broad or noticeable. So I'm going to go ahead and change mine to 25 pixels, and if you see it, you can see it a lot better now. Now, I always like to put mine on the inside. That's just a preference choice. You can play with it and decide how you want to, and I'm going to leave my opacity at 100, and then click OK. So that's how you stroke on a shape. Now, I want to show you when you add a photo to the shape and put it into it like a clipping mask, which I'm going to do. All right, see there? You can still see the stroke on the outside. So that's how you do it. Say that, for instance, you didn't like the blue once you got your photo in there. You can still change it. So what you do is go back to your shape layer, click on your effects again, and you can change the blue. You click on the little blue box, and then you can do whatever you want to. You can pick a color from your photo. Mine's black and white, so I don't really have a lot of options for stroke colors, but I'm going to go ahead and choose something maybe in a pink. I want a little bit more red. There we go. All right, so then I hit OK, and you can see it's already changed it. Just hit OK to apply it, and there you have a simple stroke on a shape. Thanks for watching.